Hi, today I'm taking you through problems on chance or probability. When we say probability or chance, it simply means the study of events which may or may not occur. So, the study of events that have equally likely chances of occurring or happening, and that is probability. So, for instance, if you have two round identical balls of color blue and color green in a bag, you are being asked to dip your hand into the bag without looking into it, draw out one ball. What will be your chances of drawing out a ball which is blue from the bag? I know by now you begin to think, and your answer maybe could have been right because they are just two balls of different colors. So your chance is 50-50, as we used to say. Means that if you draw a blue ball, it's 50%, or a green ball, which is 50%, because they are just two. How did we arrive at that? So if it's a green ball, it is the total number of green balls over the total number of balls in the bag. So 1 out of 2 is half, and half is 50% in terms of percentages. So now, let us look at this problem at hand. The problem says there are 15 blue and 20 green identical balls in a basket. And if a ball is picked at random from the basket, what is the probability of picking a ball which is blue, or a blue ball? Now, to do this, compare this to the earlier scenario or example I gave. You see that the total number of balls are not the same. Therefore, your chances are not going to be the same. Someone who will pick a green ball, or when you dip your hand into this basket without looking into it, your chances of picking a green ball is far higher than the chances of picking a blue ball. Why? Because the green balls are more. It means that you may pick more green balls than a blue ball. So let's get started. So to solve this, we need our total number of sample space. And sample space in probability is the total number of equally likely outcomes. So outcomes that are equally likely to happen. They are likely to happen. In this regard, it's likely when you dip your hand or you pick a ball from the bag, it's likely you pick a blue ball or you pick a green ball. So you need to put the total number of blue and green balls together. Let's do that. So our sample space is denoted by the letter S. So for number of sample space, we can write N of S. So for number of sample space, we can write N of S and say this will give us 15 blue plus 20 green, which gives us 35 altogether. Now, let's also look at the question. Says you should find the chance of picking a blue ball. So how many blue balls are there? So number of blue balls represented by capital B is 15. And so to find the probability, which is P, of picking a blue ball, it should simply be the number of blue balls out of the total number of balls, or the number of sample space. Then we substitute. So when we substitute, we are going to get number of blue balls is 15, and the number of sample space is 35. So when we simplify this, we can use 5 to simplify because it's the highest number that can go here into 15 and 35 at the same time. So 5 into 15 3 times, and 5 into 35 7 times. So here we are. So the probability of picking a blue ball at random from this basket is 3 out of 7. And if you are being asked to find the probability of picking a green ball out of this bag, it's simply subtract the numerator 3 from the denominator 7, and you get 4. Then out of 7. So this is the probability. The chances of picking a green ball is 4 out of 7, and your chances of picking a blue ball is 3 out of 7. Thank you very much for staying with me.